I picked up a little flip cart the other week. Let me show you exactly what I got, and I'll go over it, and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do in this video. There we go, we got us a little EZ-GO TXT. Now, when I'm looking for flip carts, especially on the EZ-GOs, this right here is a PDS 36 volt cart here. I gave $1,000 for it. Might have gave too much, I don't know. But the battery tray looks good, no rust. Everything over here looks good. No batteries, I don't know if it runs or not. So, on today's video, we're going a 48 volt swap. I have some 48 volt Vatrer batteries. All right, guys, so these are Vatrer batteries, and we're gonna put one of these batteries in our TXT 48 converted golf cart. This right here is your most standard battery here. This is the 51.2 volt 105 amp hour battery. Now, this one here is their new small version. It's a little bit taller, but it's a lot narrower and it's more square, and it's still 51.2, 105 amp hours. Now, these batteries all feature this LCD gauge here. It comes with your gauge. It tells you your percentage. It tells you the amperage, the voltage, how many run times you've done on it, how many times the battery's been charged. You can also turn on and off the battery by the discharge here or the charge. And it also shows you the cells inside the battery. So each battery comes with that. It comes with its own charger here by Vatrer. So in this right here build, we're probably gonna be using a little small square battery in this TXT 48. All right, guys, got the battery installed, the charger's installed over there underneath the driver's side, and we also got the gauge installed as well. I mounted a gauge in this pocket here. Just use 3 screws here. That looks pretty good, very easy to see. Well, let's test out this TXT 48 system with this Vatrer battery. Another thing, I'm gonna list everything in the video description for doing a TXT 48 conversion on a 36 volt PDS golf cart. If you're looking for a 48 volt golf cart and you can only find a 36 volt PDS, not a series, but a PDS, you don't have to purchase a motor when doing so.